Hello guys, this is Ash here. So this is the first chapter of your grade 12 and your BS syllabus, Introduction to Business and its Environment. So this is the first part A of the chapter 1 series. So going into the subject now, what is business? So according to the definition, it goes like this: any economic activity that fulfills human needs and wants. Okay, from the definition, we get to know about three new things. First, economic activity. Second, needs. Third, wants. Now let's look into them individually. First, what's an economic activity? Now an economic activity is known as the production, distribution and consumption of goods and services. This could be done on both profit motive and for not for profit motive, like welfare societies. A detailed study of this will be done later on in the syllabus. So now from the economic activity we could identify that it's an activity where the business produce, then distribute it for consumption. What does they produce, distribute and consume? Goods and services. Okay, now why does they produce, distribute and consume goods and services? To satisfy human needs and wants. Okay, now let's look into what is needs and wants. Needs are requirements that should be fulfilled somehow for the survival of the human being, and not fulfilling it could lead to death. Okay, let's look into some examples to identify what are needs. Okay, examples are food, water, oxygen, even sleep. So without this, it is very difficult to survive. But wants, on the other hand, means different ways to fulfill the needs, and not fulfilling it may or may not result in death. Examples: okay, for food we can say a want is ice cream. So it is not essential to have ice cream for survival, right? So then Red Bull, or let's go into an electronic item, iPhone. For clothing, let's look denim. So these are not essential for human survival, but these are different ways to fulfill your need. Okay, now let's look into the differences between needs and wants, so we can get a even clearer understanding about both the concepts. Okay, needs, wants. Needs are essential to all. Needs are common to all. Needs are limited. Needs cannot be motivated by business. Okay, needs are primary requirement and needs are basic. Okay, now let's look into wants. Wants, it's not essential to all. Your want could be differ from another person. Okay, let's take an example. I may like cheeseburger, some other may like meat on it. So our wants differ, it doesn't need to be common. So uh, next criteria is not common to all, and wants are unlimited. Okay, there could be any number of wants a person have, but needs can be categorized and are limited, and wants can be motivated by business. Okay, now let's look into some examples. So earlier we didn't have foods like cheeseburgers, tacos, and other kind of street food, but with the globalization and with the introduction of advertisement, these are now motivated by business to consumers. So now this has become common food practice to eat, even though it's not healthy for all. Okay, then wants are secondary and is complex. So this is about a basic idea that I've taken about needs and wants. From this video we have learned what is business. We have understand uh, economic activity, needs and want, and also the differences of both needs and wants. So that's it for this video, guys. We will meet soon in another video. Please do subscribe, like us, and share this video to others if you find this interesting, and also drop your comments and provide your feedback. Okay, bye guys.